As you do this, make sure that the printer that you have installed here, I'm not sure if this is going to um, install automatically, but probably with your desktop version, it's a fresh install, so you may have to add a printer. If you do that, add a printer, and it's not going to be networked, so we're going to add a non-networked printer, and it's an Ultimaker 2, and it's a 2 extended with Olson, which is a type of fans that are on both sides. If you don't have that in there, it's going to kind of screw up the heating, cooling temperatures that you need. So, Ultimaker 2 extended with Olson, add, and now you have that printer in there. So when it makes the slices, it's going to make the things the right way. If not, what I actually want you to submit is not the G code, but a project file. So whenever you get your settings up on here and get the orientation and the supports how you'd like it, save the project, and it'll save as a Cura project. If you don't need to see the summary each time, that's fine. We save that to somewhere you're going to save that, and that's what you're going to actually upload and add to the Google Classroom account. So make sure the settings are as you want them to be. Again, use the recommended settings. On draft, 0.2 layer height, 20% infill is more than enough, and then only a support on if you need it. Build adhesion is still a good idea pretty much across the board.